Welcome back, Geoff Coughlin, Scale Modelling Now, and I just wanted to show you a little technique that I have to thank Mike Mende for. So thanks, Mike, if you're watching this and listening. You kindly sent in a little entry to Techniques Bank, which is going in as we speak at the sort of middle of March, which is 2018, which is where we are when I'm filming this. And it was such a simple, brilliant little idea that I think was perhaps nudged by Mike spotting me using the Dymo technique, which is this sort of sticky label technique to use as a flexible rule, really, when you are either rescribing or riveting the surface of your model for whatever reason. And here I'm in the middle of this Airfix B17 at the moment, and I've already applied lots of fine sort of rivet line detail to the model. And I've gone through, consequently, quite a lot of this Dymo tape. So all this technique is to extend the life of it, really. It's not the easiest thing to find. You can certainly find this labelling stuff in various stationery stores or office supply places. I'm sure around the world, but here in the UK it's you can get it, but you need to kind of search it out a little bit these days. So you want this stuff to last as long as you can. It is only really good once you remove the backing from the piece. For probably, I don't know, a couple of little short lengths, I would think, couple of applications, I think. And then what you find is that you need to replace it. So you just pick off the back and apply it to your model. So imagine that we were going to just run a little line of rivets in this instance, just up there, and reaching for my Rosie the Riveter, which is my preferred tool. I know Rado Brinzan does a really good riveting tool as well. So essentially they all work on the same sort of basis. What you have is a handle, and then you have a little wheel with some teeth in it. So this isn't really a riveting demonstration at all, but just to kind of lead you in and show you how you might use the Dymo tape. So you can use that, and away you go. And you've got a nice, neat row of rivets. To be honest, I very often use this freehand. I just find that a lot easier when I'm riveting, because your eye is a really good judge of alignment. And if you're careful and you get the right kind of motion going, it's very easy to just rivet freehand. And that's kind of for a separate demonstration. But here, you take off the Dymo tape, and then you might go and do another piece and another piece. But the point is that will very soon have to be binned, and we need to cut a new section off. So this is the technique that Mike came up with. He said, well, why don't you apply the Dymo tape to a piece of masking tape? So I thought, wow, that's an interesting idea. So again, just prepare the Dymo tape. So that's kind of ready to go. Take a piece of Tamiya tape, which is really good, sort of preferred method of use of masking tape to me. Pull off the Dymo tape and just apply that to one edge. Okay, that's good. So on it goes like that. And then all we do is cut a little bit, quite a bit, about the same width, again wider than the tape, and that will provide a neat little handle for picking up the tape. And so now we've got our Dymo tape applied to our masking tape. And then the idea with this is that you can just use this any number of times. So again, we'll apply it to the model. You might want to scribe or to rivet as you like. And then we pick it off, and then we apply it again. Oops, assuming you don't fold it over on itself. Gosh, a bit ham-handed there. But you can apply it again, and you apply it again. And the bottom line is that you can use that probably about at least 2 or 3 times longer than you could with your just using the Dymo tape on its own. So it's a very simple little technique, but it just never dawned on me, never occurred to me to do that. And so thanks again, Mike. A really good little tip to extend the life of the Dymo tape, so that will last you at least 2 or 3 times longer than it might otherwise have done. Because of course, as I said, now once you've used it, say 2 or 3 times, you've got to bin that. That'll be gone, and now we have an option to extend the life of our tape. So there we are. Simple little thing. Hope that's useful. Thanks, Mike. See you soon.